to you all jewelry maker guys. Today we are going to make this beautiful, fantastic heart earrings. Now it's the time to start. Just pick a 0.8 steel wire and one pearl bead or stone, something like these. I put a pearl and my wire. Pass your wire through the pearl and put about a half centimeter to keep it tight. Then wrap it all around your pearl. There is a very important tip here. That is how this steel wire is just easy for forming. If you don't know, just comment it below. If you know, write it for us too. Just keep wrapping, and this little half centimeter helps us to put our wire, and this forming is even more easy. When wrapping is done, put something like a pen or your mandrel to make a U shape like this. Just as easy as you could see. This is going to be a part of our heart shape. If you desire, you could put this U just a little more closer to the pearl, or just here, it's okay. As you see, I had changed this U form just a little bit closer to the pearl, and then in the middle with your chain nose pliers, make a bend just like this. And then again with your pen or mandrel, make a U shape. Just pay attention that these two parts should be as symmetrical as possible. Okay, a little bit like this, and it's almost finished. Cut it here, and also it should be cut. And always remember, you should put any sharp edges on your work. Just push it with your chain nose pliers. Okay, now we have something like this, and keep it tight with your chain nose pliers, and then make a bend. Just keep it tight with your chain nose pliers and round this pin back inside your earring. Why we are doing that? Because it functions as a tie, and it would keep it more tight. Okay, this is our lovely heart earring. It's fantastic, minimal and beautiful. As you can see, earring pin is a little elongated, so I prefer to make it shorter, something like this is enough. And this is one pair of your earring.